Using ordinary latex paint for your walls in your kitchen areas, for the manufacturing areas, commissary or cold storage areas, and obviously for these areas, kailangan siya laging malinis. Dahil hindi nga siya chemical resistant, ay eventually it will wear off. Kung nagkaroon siya ng mga crack, dito naman tendency na pwedeng bahayan ulit ng mga insects. At the same time, i-repaint ulit. Of course, it's going to be very costly already. If we're going to use tiles, pag may tiles, may grouts, then pwede naman siya again bahayan ng mga insects. So it's not really hygienic. So here in Build Right, what we recommend is using Build Right Black Tite XTR for these areas. Black Tite XTR is an epoxy-based hygienic wall coating that has no smell. So it's really perfect for your kitchen areas, for your commissary, sa mga cold storage areas or food production areas, no? So, ang isa sa maganda pa dito is that it's chemical resistant. Meaning, hindi niya sisirain yung wall natin and you don't need to repaint it again. It has good high heat resistance. If natalsikan mo siya ng oil, kahit mainit, or you use hot water for cleaning, it's resistant to this kind of high temperature, no? Kasi hindi siya magde-delaminate. It has also good resistance sa mga malalamig na temperature like cold storages. So, it can withstand up to negative 40 degrees Celsius. Also, stain resistant. So, meaning hindi madedevelop ang mga watermark or water stains na common sa mga ganitong areas. That's why we recommend Black Tite XTR for your hygienic walls.